Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about yen index and yen pairs and trades taken today, as I said. So let's get started. I'm going to take you guys back to the beginning of this year, just to show us a few weekly charts, how I am tracking the moves. So let's get started here. Let's say this chart I made on January 14th, saying that this teal and the price was here. So either right from there where it was, or it will come down and hit the teal and then bounce and then go to 63.22 and break that. And then we go to the 61% and 64.45. This was the plan. After this move to the downside, this could be a or wave one, impulse wave, right? But that will be decided later on once the move is finished. So what happened to this chart is this. On the 21st January, I made this chart that, okay, the move started already and the price is here. But I said that this low here, and then it might just come down and then still, it's like a job unfinished. So it may try to come back down and finish the job and then go to the upside. But this upside move was intact. That's what my prediction, right? So, and I wrote down here that if stay above this and go up, all yen pairs will also go up. That's what happened. The yen index is directly connected with the pairs because all the yen pairs have yen on the right hand side, USD yen, pound yen, euro yen, everything yen is always on the right hand side. So yen index goes up, all pair goes up. Yen index goes down, all pair goes down, right? So that's why. And that's exactly what happened today. I'm going to show you. So now after this, what happened? It start to go up, and I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, right? So on 21st January, the price was here. My take was still that if we can go back above this, stay above the 63.22, we can go to the upside. So then what happened? One more candle, but this number here, 64.14, stopped the move, and then boom, we have the doji here, which is a reversal candle. So I said, okay, maybe dropping, and that was on March 4th. And after that, it started to drop, and I didn't make the chart because it was dropping. My take was it's going to go to the upside. I made the chart, but like 33-minute chart, small charts, the harmonic pattern, small Elliott wave, small moves to track the move down, and it came all the way down here. Let's go take a look. So it came down here again, and then look what happened. I was expecting that it would touch the TL, but it went up all the way there and then came back down and then touched the TL anyway. And then it started to go up. So this is the chart I made the 1st April 2023 that, again, either right from there or it will come down first to 62.52 and then bounce and go up to this level 64.78, or here 64.45, or this 61%. That's the area that I'm targeting. So what happened to this chart is so far this as of today. So it came down exactly as I said, that it will come down to 62.52 and then it start to bounce. And this candle is just this week. And obviously today is Monday, the first day, and you can see this all bullish candle here, right? Let me go on the live chart. Here, see, all bullish candle here, completely bullish and powerfully going to the upside. So, like I said, that if yen index is going to the upside, all yen pairs should be going to the upside as well. So are they going to the upside right now as of today? Because this is today's candle. So let's go and take a look at those yen pairs, how they did today. USD yen first, USD yen. Now these vertical lines here, this is a 1 hour chart, by the way. I'm going to show you a 1 hour chart. So these are vertical lines showing 1 day. In between these two, it's like 1 day. This is last Friday and this is today. From here, and it will end here today, and then the next day, Tuesday, will start. So you can see the day started here today, Monday, and look what happened. Right? USD yen, big time it went up. Pound yen, the day started today, Monday here. Look what happened. Euro yen, same thing. Here, boom. CAD yen from here, it always goes in a wave. It's like 1, 2, 3. That followed by wave 4 and wave 5 will happen later on. So Aussie yen did move, but because much, when it went up, but Aussie is very weak, so it didn't go much to the upside. Franc yen from here, here. Nuzi yen from here, here. All yen pairs, 7 of them, right? They all went up. But what I do is I do not watch or trade New Zealand and Franc yen. So what's left is like 5 pairs, Aussie yen from here, USD yen, Pound yen, Euro yen, CAD yen, and Aussie yen, 5 pairs. Out of 5, I was able to catch 4 of these trades today using my system. This is how my system is. So let me show you how I did and how I caught these pair and what the system and the trades look like. USD yen, you can see here my buy order here, and I took this one first, and it went up, came back, and took my SL out. Boom, no big deal. That happens all the time. If your SL hit at a break even, it's no no gain, no loss, nothing. It's no hard feeling whatsoever. But the second entry here, and you can see how beautifully it went up to 110 pip. Now the second trade, pound yen, again, same thing. I took this one, boom, boom, got up, and then I took the other one and all the way to the upside. 90 pip. That's 200 pip right there in 2 trades. Then I have this Euro yen. Also, it went up to 70. So that's 270 pip. And then CAD yen to 85 pip. So that's 255 pip. Sorry, 355 pip in 1 day using the system and this setup. And of course, the analysis, without the analysis, you can't do anything, right? Nobody has no idea where the heck we are going. So analysis is one thing. So that's why, I do my webinars Wednesday and Sunday, and I go through all these weekly charts and do the analysis in front of my subscribers. So they do understand that where we are going, which thing is going where, which index is going where, up or down, what's happening, what is there any harmonic pattern, what are the fib levels, which Elliott wave we are in, all of that. And then I make the charts and give it to them. And also I post on the my Telegram as well. Like, let me see if I have it here. See that? This is here. See, I posted on the 5 a.m. today that watch all yen pairs for long setup. And I explained this, that this is what's going to happen in my Sunday webinar. I did the Sunday webinar, 1-hour webinar, where I explained every single thing. All they had, people have to do is they just look for the setup, and the alarm will beep. When the setup is ready, the alarm is beeping. You just come and see and take the trade. So, yeah, okay, it's already set and done that, all these pairs are going to go up. So why not? Just take the trade and put the SL right there. SL is always 25 pip in my system. So this is what happened for pound, all these yen pairs, not pound. So this is how my analysis and this and that. So if you want to learn all of that, go to my website, creativetradingsystem.com, subscribe. And if you need to learn everything, and sign up for one-on-one. I still have a lot of openings. I finish some of those. So yeah. So just wanted to share with you guys, and this is what it is. And there are a couple of very nice setup building up. So I'm gonna make another video. So if you want to get my video as soon as I post, because those setups don't last much, right? So once the setup is done, it's done. This setup with that, where all yen pairs are supposed to go up for the day, they're done, they're gone. No more trades, no more moving today until tomorrow. Every pair move for its daily range, according to its daily range and a specific time, and within 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, and that's it. After that, no more moving. And people think that it's a 24-hour market and you can trade all the time. No, you have to be knowing that exactly which pair is going to move when, and when the volume is going to come out, and what is the setup, which way is going, what is the setup, and how you can get, when you can get in, right? So anyway, this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Remember, 355 pips just today using this system. Get it, learn it, and start doing the way. It's not, not every day is not Sunday, right? So sometimes like Friday, I had no trade whatsoever, only one trade, I guess. Thursday, no trade, completely no trade. Why? Because Friday was bank were closed. Even today was banks are closed, I guess, right? But yeah, sometimes things happen and you don't have anything, or maybe one or two trade. But most of the time, this is what happens when if the index is on the move, like USD. Oh, by the way, USD index is on the move as well. Friday we had NFP, US dollar. I said that it's gonna get strong, and it is getting strong. I'm gonna make a video on that as well, right? That how USD moving and this USD yen. Biggest move is USD. And why? Because yen was getting weaker. Not only that, but USD was also getting strong because of the NFP last Friday. All right. So I had that cover as well. So I'm going to show you the chart of the USD and more, a lot of trades coming in, about to come in USD pairs. I have a USD CAD long running, by the way, but not enough pippage. So I don't make the chart. If it's less than 50 pip, I don't even bother making a chart. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.